With the recent launch of the Anzu Raptor series drone, there are going to be a lot of firmware updates being released that will improve the functionality and the capabilities of this drone. So how do you get the firmware installed on the Raptor? Stay tuned and we will walk you through the steps for a successful install. To start the install of the new firmware, you will want to power on your drone and the remote controller. Make sure you have a fully charged battery in the drone, and make sure the remote controller battery is fully charged as well. Firmware updates usually just take a few minutes, but we have seen them take a little while, and ensuring that you have enough battery life on both the drone and the remote is very important. Once your drone and remote are powered on, you'll want to make sure you are connected to the internet. Swipe down from the top right on the remote and you will see your settings menu. Connect to your Wi-Fi with the first icon selection, and once you are connected, go back to the main screen of the remote and click the Air Control icon. At the top left, you will see the 3-line menu icon. Click that, and underneath the link to Aircraft option is the app version. Go ahead and click the app version. You will see a message come up and say that there's a new firmware version available. Click Install and the firmware update will begin to download. Once it is downloaded, you will be prompted to press Install. And once you press Install, the new firmware will be installed and you will see a message come up after the install is complete. Some drones automatically reset when the firmware is installed, but when we did the first one, it did not give us that option. So we did a full power off and on to make sure everything was good to go, and we are now ready for our flight. It is that simple. Your Anzu Raptor series drone is on the latest firmware version and you are ready to get back in the air. Follow us for more videos on the Raptor series drones from Anzu Robotics. You can purchase the entire Anzu product lineup in the link below. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 855-8-DRONES, or you can visit us online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you so much for watching and enjoy your flight.